Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you another Chinese knife company and one of their best-selling knife. So this is the Land Tactical Knives model 9104, and let's talk firstly and foremostly about the design. So this design is taken or borrowed from Chris Reeves knives, and in my opinion this is a direct homage to a Sebenza large. So there is no way around it. If you know about the well-known frame lock that started it all, which is the Chris Reeves Sebenza. Chris Reeves came up or did develop the frame lock. So a big, huge thanks to him for this invention. But today we'll be talking about the Land 9104, and maybe you can remember, or maybe not. I'm here to tell you, way back, let's say 5 or 6 years ago, the knife company Sanrenmu, which is a huge, large OEM manufacturer, did came out with a model number 710, and the 710 was regarded as a small budget Sebenza, and still is up to this day. And I will compare it, of course, with this one, because back in the day, if you wanted a large Sebenza variant knife, you could get it only in two ways. So one way was buy a used one or new one, original from the maker, or get a clone, so a direct copy which infringes on the name and design and everything. But let's not get there. So few years passed and Land came out with these designs, and of course there were a few manufacturers. They have released a similar knife with a similar size and design cues, but in my opinion this Land is one of the best values out there if you want a Sebenza styled knife and don't have the money to spend, so around $300+. And of course you want a decent knife, which is one of the main focuses, or I'd say how to say it, main goals of this channel, to provide you with good value so you can decide on what product you want to spend your hard-earned money, and down the road also to save you money if the product is not good. So let's mention the specifications. So the Land has used a Sandvik 12C27 blade steel on this knife, which is in my opinion excellent choice. You have lots of D2, HCR 30 MOE, 440C, but not that many companies, Chinese companies, that offer a budget priced knife will use this little bit higher end blade steel. Usually you can get it with some Kershaws and a little bit higher priced companies. Okay, so the Sandvik steel is made in Sweden, of course, so it's trademarked by Sandvik, and it will give you a decent corrosion resistance, but of course it is a carbon steel, so you have to be careful and not to put your knife in all those situations where it is wet and then put inside, let's say, a box, a package, or a pouch. So just keep it clean, keep it wiped down, and use some kind of corrosion protection, maybe oil or anything else out there. So the open length of the knife is 20 centimeters or 7.87 inches. The close length is 11.5 or 4.5 inches. The sharpened length of the blade is 8.4 centimeters or 3.3 inches, and the blade width on the widest part is 2.8 centimeters or 1.1 inch. We have a weight of 135.5 grams or 4.77 ounces. The insides, as you can see, are nicely milled, which will significantly lessen the weight. You have an anodized spacer tube, and it will rattle a little bit. You have your Sebenza style pocket clip. This is a stainless steel construction, so you have stainless steel on both sides, so no insert required. The knife rides on KVT style washers and opens with authority really nicely and 100%. You have nicely anodized thumb studs, a beautiful accent with the acid stone wash. The model number, the steel variant, right there, and of course the company logo. Comparison with the 710, it is obviously a smaller knife. And probably in a few weeks, maybe months, Land will also offer different maybe finishes. I did saw some liner rock variants, which are smaller. But of course, they will extend the range, and maybe this time they already are expanding the range, and you can get it in different locking variants, and also material wise. In fact, I have handled a swapped version, and it was really nice. yeah. So size-wise is a Shirogorov NES95 flipper. It's significantly larger, of course. Then of course we have here a Strider SNG, which are almost the same size, and then the well-known Delica 4. Okay, so the price point on these ones are around $23. Depends on the place where you are buying it. Some vendors will also give you a discount. I will put a link down below where you can buy this knife for a good price. One more thing to mention is of course the milled and the cutout of the frame lock, which is a really nice touch, and it will significantly lessen the stress on your finger when you want to close it. So a lot of companies make the mistake. They put the scales flush with each other, so that you need to push your your nail or your thumb inside to disengage the knife. In this way, this is perfectly balanced and executed knife. The centering is, I would say, almost perfect or perfect. The log engagement is around, let's say, 45 to 50%. Should not travel too much further because this is a steel-on-steel contact, but time will tell. You can swap the pocket clip. This is an ambidextrous carry, so you have also your thumb studs on both sides, which is perfect for left-handed users. So if you have any questions, leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.